Look how much mess there is. Ah! Luckily it's mainly cardboard, so it's all recyclable, which is good. Welcome back, my DIY nomads. I'm up here on the mezzanine, enjoying the view, looking at the top of my van. It's quite weird being able to sort of just see it from a different perspective, but anyway. Sorry that the video didn't come out last week. 2 reasons for that. One, it was my birthday weekend, so I just had my birthday. I'm now the glorious age of, oh my god, I'm the glorious age of 28. Yeah, on top of that, another reason why I didn't bring out a video on Saturday is because I'm pretty certain I've cracked a rib. Got quite shallow breathing at the moment, but it doesn't matter because I'm nursing it, but I'm still able to do quite a lot, painfully. But yeah, we're going to crack on today. Now, what I managed to get done before I did any of this was I managed to put together some bits and bobs. So I went onto Facebook Marketplace and I managed to grab myself a kitchen cabinet and like a kitchen wine rack with like, they call it wine rack, but it's basically like a palette rack. You can put anything on, like cans. It's like perfect for cans as well. So that's what I'm gonna be using it for. And a little bit of wine, of course, because you've got to treat yourself every so often. Now, the cool thing about this is that I could have spent the money, gone and bought some 15mm ply, 18mm ply, and built the cabinets myself. That's fine, great, yeah, cool. But the fact that I found these on Facebook Marketplace, they were basically, well actually the wine rack was brand new, the kitchen cabinet was used. I managed to get them for super cheap, much cheaper than if I was to buy 2 or 3 boards of 15 or 18mm ply, plus all the hinges, plus all the racking system. And it just, you know, I can screw these 2 bits together, whack it underneath my new kitchen worktop. You know how in kitchens you have if the front faces like that, underneath where your feet are, it pops in a bit and then goes back down to the floor. Yet again, classic me, don't know the terminology for that bit on the kitchen, but the sort of kick guard area, I say, there's like legs, There's a hair in my mouth. There's like plastic legs underneath all like sort of kitchen cabinets, and they usually have like a kickboard or whatever that has clips, and it just pushes on and clips onto those legs to make it look all clean and lovely. Now what I'm planning to do is I'm going to put the feet on top, and I'll explain why. I want to raise the kitchen up off the ground by about 1 or 2 centimeters, probably 2 centimeters, and then fit some LED lighting along the bottom edge of the front of the kitchen. So it provides some sort of negative space with some LED downlighting onto the floor, which will look very, very swish. The window in the van means that if I was to put the legs underneath and then space out the kitchen cabinet top enough for the cooker and the sink to fit in, then all of the kitchen area would push the kitchen worktop up above the bottom level of the window. So I'd be sort of having, yeah, it wouldn't work. It would be cutting through about the bottom third of the window, so that would be hideous. So here's a quick bit of footage of when I put together the wine rack, put them together with the kitchen cabinet bit, all that sort of stuff. And next we'll be looking at trying to sort of fit it in there. So this is the kitchen setup. This is what I've just been building, and I'm really chuffed with actually like the fact that you can get this stuff for super cheap. Saved me a bunch bunch of time building this myself. And yeah, it looks really cool. Like I didn't realize, but this kit for this side bit doesn't come with a front door, but I've got some scrap wood that I can find elsewhere. So that's fine. I can cut that up, make that front. That's really easy. Then that slides away. I can put cans and cereal and stuff like that in that one. This is obviously just a normal kitchen cabinet. Completely empty at the moment. That is the shelf that would go in there, but I'm not putting it in because I need to put my fridge on this side. And, you know, I mean, I could probably drill some more holes, but I'm probably just going to look at building some better shelving on this side and then add a shelf. Although, no, I'm just having some thoughts, sorry. Anyway, another time. Back at it now. I have stripped out the whole kitchen again. Feels like I'm having constant deja vu at the moment, but we've got the kitchen unit down here and I have, where is it? Cut the hole for the pipes. So let's fit this bad boy in place and see what happens. It looks so good. I really like it. I need to get some, I didn't quite realize actually the gap is very small. I thought the gap between the worktop and the actual cabinet itself would be much bigger, but it's really not. So I've just put like the other bits of the feet from underneath just here to space out. I know it's not even, but really, really cool. Really nice. Got the pipes through. Pipes are through. And now I can just focus on really getting it plumbed in, as it were. Well, my DIY nomads, that's a little short video there for an update. In the next video, I plan to get this properly mounted in, so it's finished. The kitchen's then done properly and out of the way. And I'll also try and crack on with a bit of the shower, because I'm really excited to get on with that. A little bit nervous as well. I'm not going to lie, a little bit nervous. It's quite an intense. It's quite, you know, a new thing for me. So it should be really interesting to see how I get on with that. But the conversion is really coming together. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch all of you guys, well, on Thursday.